take.
Allow me to start with my English teacher's comments back in primary school. We used to have this teacher, English teacher. We loved him so much, and he used to be a role model to each and every pupil in that class. Now, this teacher could come to class and give us the same encouragement quote every day. Alikuwa anakuja class, anatuambia, vijana wangu nisikizeni kwa makini maisha ni kama lollipop. Ni wewe utaamua kulamba au kunona. Now you can imagine that's a role model we had in school. Now, ladies and gentlemen, my names are Moses Makmusa, artistically, but my real names are Moses Musyoki Kiema. I am an actor professionally, and my age is 25 years old, and my height is 5'7". Now, the reason I believe I can be in this, I believe I got the talent, and talent being God-given, I believe nobody can beat me doing what God gave me to do. Second thing about talent is that what education can do to you or for you in 5 years will take talent 2 weeks to get you there. In short, talent does not only speed you to success, but it flies you low. Yeah, that's what talent does. Now, the reason I believe I can do this is that, number one, I'm very sure and ready for competition because I know so many people want to do this. Second, I believe for you to be on TV, for you to make it on TV, you have to be the worst or the best. Am I the worst or the best? I don't know. I leave that to spill ones. Number two, I'm a stand-up comedian. Now, being funny, I believe is my secret way of keeping audience and fans, and I really trust that it's gonna give me the ability to keep them glued to their screens. That is, if I get this opportunity. Number four, I'm creative. Creativity, instant creativity. Number five, I am passionate about working with anybody in any job. I can work under minimal supervision, and I can really organize myself to perfection. Number six, I do this ready to surprise some people. I remember sometimes back after high school, I told my dad I wanted to take a media course. Then he told me, no, you have to take architecture because media is made for the ladies. That is why, if I get this opportunity, I'll work towards proving them wrong, showing them I can do this because I trust in what God gave me, because that is what I was meant to do. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Hope to see you soon. God bless you.